Whoa, the carrot's trying to kill me.
Hey, good morning guys. We're gonna start by finishing off the shower this morning. Already went to the store, picked up a couple more spin doctors. We gotta do that. I got the dog with me today. Got everything all set up on the deck. Oh, it's gonna be a beautiful day. I think it's supposed to be around 80 degrees today. It's gonna be perfect for cutting things outside. And then before long, on the backsplash today as well. So stay tuned, let's get rolling. And before we get going too far, I know a bunch of you guys have questions on exactly how we remove these spin doctors. So what it is there's a perforated edge on these tiles, or on these clips here. There's that perforated edge, it's just right there. So that bottom foot's gonna stay, and then that little top nub comes off. I found it best to leave the cap on and just hit it. So now you can see that that foot is still underneath there, but we got everything else off. It's best to go with your grout line. So in this case, it's vertical. In this case, it's horizontal, vertical, vertical.
Where do we go from here? No one can save us from keeping clear. I don't wanna lose you, I don't wanna lose you now. 'Cause there is only one thing on my mind. Hey, 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 I just wanna see you on my new grave. Hey, 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 I just wanna see you
And
on
just
my
like that,
new grave.
we got it complete. Turned out perfect. I am so excited about it.
Almost as excited as I am to show you the only thing you should ever clean your garbage disposal with is ice. Well, I guess you kind of want it to smell good, so you can use soap. But this is why you don't want to use a frozen lemon. So as you would assume, it's not because the fruit, vegetable, and anything else you decide to throw in there is going to harm it. It's because of what it's going to do to the drain. When we look back in this garbage disposal, let's take a look at what would be going down your drain. Yeah, so that's going to take a little bit of time to break down. Yeah, and until then, you're going to have yourself a clog. Actually, just to make sure the visual is perfect, I'm going to dump it out and show you. So let's recap. If you want to use your garbage disposal, don't. And if you want to clean it, use ice so it melts.